up everybody, Jordan here and back for another video. In this video I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on some products from Bearded Death Beard Co. after testing them over the last few weeks. Check out my unboxing if you haven't already, and then use non-affiliate code JCC15 to save 15% on Bearded Death Beard Co.'s website. Check out their website and Instagram link down below. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you thought, and then let's get into it. Alrighty, so some brief company info to start off. So the owner of Bearded Death Beard Co. is named Dan, based in the USA in Northampton, Pennsylvania, and they sell various small batch beard products and accessories, including merch. They launched in October 23, and then they sell beard oil, beard balm, tattoo balm, and more. Like I said, I'll have a website link down below. The beard oil is $11.99 USD, beard balm is $12.99, and the tattoo balm is $11.99, and then check out the rest of the pricing in my unboxing video or on the website down below. Alrighty, yeah, starting off with some general thoughts on these products. So really cool branding, I like the logo. Labels are simple but effective, and the ingredients that they use are pretty standard, nothing too complicated, but simple and effective. And I enjoyed all these scent profiles. They're pretty classic sort of scent profiles if you've tried other beard products. So I definitely would like to see more complex and unique scents going forward. Yeah, and then the beard balm came in a really cool like black box, which you'll see in the B-roll that I have in this video as well. I'd love to see similar packaging for the oils and the tattoo balm potentially, even the shampoo and conditioning bar soaps. Definitely a pretty cool look. So I'd like to see that across the product line. Yeah, and the merch options, including this hat that Dan sent me. They're reasonably priced and lots of different options that Dan designs himself. And I'm talking about the beard oil, so it's like medium light viscosity, so not too thick, which is what I prefer for beard oil. And then it absorbs well into my beard without making it feel greasy. And then having different colored bottles for the vanilla oil versus the sandalwood and cedarwood oils is a unique touch. Maybe down the road, like you could expand into like the black line and the white line or something like that, based on like have some in the black bottles that are sort of more basic scents maybe, and then have some in the white line that are more sort of like complex and unique scents. Could be something to explore for Dan. And the dropper tops worked well as well. And then on the label they do have the social media and the website on the label, which I think might be a bit redundant. I think it'd be nice to see the like more of the scent profile on there rather than the social media, but that's just my thoughts. And then yeah, and then next talking about the beard balm, it's definitely a lighter beard balm, which I prefer. I don't like when beard balms are super heavy and waxy, so definitely enjoyed using this one. And I like the vanilla spice scent. It's that you definitely notice it, but it's not too aggressive. I'd love to see more scents for the beard balm at some point down the road. Kind of line it up with the rest of the oil lineup, so definitely would like to see that for sure at some point. And then the beard balm had a reasonable amount of styling hold without like making my beard feel too stiff, so definitely enjoyed that. I think adding a 2-ounce option for the beard balms could be cool. I do like that the 1 ounce is nice and small and easy to travel with and to store, but having that 2-ounce option could be cool for some people that use more balm and just use one scent until it runs out, so could be a good thing to look into. I'd love to see Bearded Death Beard Co. launch a beard butter at some point. I know at least for myself, I do prefer beard butter to beard balm, so having the option for both would definitely be pretty cool at some point down the road. Like in more scents. But yeah, I definitely enjoyed using this beard balm during my testing. And then talking about the beard wash and conditioner bars. So with the beard wash bar, it lathers well and it's big enough to get lots of uses out of it without being too difficult to travel with. It also wasn't heavily stripping compared to other beard wash soaps that I've used, which was nice to see. And then the beard conditioner soap is a really cool, unique product that I haven't seen before. But definitely enjoyed using that. We'll continue to use it over time. I think it'd be nice to see future beard wash and container bar soaps be the same size, because I know they're slightly different size, which you can see in the B-roll as well. Just having the beard wash be a little bit bigger to match up with the conditioner could be cool. But yeah, overall these bar soaps work well. I definitely will continue to use them down the road, and I definitely recommend that you guys check them out. And then next, let's wrap up this video. Yeah, so thanks for watching this review on Bearded Death Beard Co. Shout out to Dan for sending these products for me to test and review. Check out my unboxing down below if you haven't already, in addition to Bearded Death Beard Co.'s website and Instagram. Yeah, and then use non-affiliate code JCC15 to save 15% on Bearded Death Beard Co.'s website. Yeah, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you haven't already. Help me get to 600 subscribers if I'm not there already by the time this video comes out, which is possible. Yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.